Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are safe and healthy at your home. Children, today we will discuss the book exercise of chapter 3, that is my sense organs. Okay, so one by one we will discuss all the exercise. See, filling the blank boxes with correct answer. A. What kind of sound do these objects make? Write S for soft and L for loud. So children, the object is given below. You have to identify that which object makes soft sound. Okay, soft sound means you know na, when the volume of anything is when the volume is very slow, low, and loud sound when the volume is high. Okay, so you have to identify the object which makes soft sound. You have to write in front of that capital S, and the object which make loud sound you have to write in front of that capital L. Okay, so can we do? See here, see the first one, pressure cooker whistle, it make loud sound. Okay, when you are beating the drum, second picture, see, beating the drum, it also make loud sound. When train is coming, children, on the railway station, so it also produce some sound. Okay, whistle of rail this whistle of the train, it also make loud sound. And wall clock makes soft sound. Okay, clear? Now move to the next one. See here, what is the taste of the following food item? Write sweet, salty or sour. So children, you have to identify that which food item are in sweet taste, okay, which one is in salty taste and which one has sour taste. Okay, so see the first one, lemon, the taste of lemon is sour. Cake, the taste of cake is sweet. And chips, the taste of chips is salty. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now see the next one, C part. How do you feel when you touch the following object? Write S for soft and H for hard. So children, when you feel these things, when you touch these things, then how you feel? The object which you feel means which is in hard texture, you have to write in front of that capital H. Okay, so brick, hard. Okay, second one, cushion, the texture of cushion is soft. Teddy bear, soft. Pencil, pencil is made up of wood. Okay, so the it is also hard. Clear? Can we move to the next one? Okay. Now see the next one. What type of smell is given out by the following object? Write G for good and B for bad. So garbage. Tell me children, garbage smell is good or bad? Yes, it is bad. Rose, good. Perfume, good. Pizza, good. Okay children, now it is clear to all of you. Okay, garbage smell bad, rose good, perfume also good, and pizza also good. Okay, the taste of lemon sour, the taste of cake sweet, the taste of chips salty. Clear? Brick is of hard texture, cushion soft, soft toy soft, and pencil also of hard texture. Clear children? Now move to the next question. Complete the table given below. One has been done for you. Listen to song. See, action, sense and sense organs are given. So listen to song. How you are able to listen the song? By the help of your ears. Okay. So an ear senses is hearing. Okay. So see the next one. B part, watching television. How you are able to watch television, children? Tell me. By the help of your eyes. So in this column you will write the sense organ eyes, and in this column you will write the senses sight. If you want, you can note down all the things in your copy and learn it at your home. Okay, in any one of your copy you can note it down and try to learn it at your home. Clear? Now see the second one, eating food. How you are able to eat food? By the help of your tongue. Tongue. Okay. Yes, children, we will eat the food. We can eat the food with the help of our mouth. But here it is asking the sense organ. You have to write the name of sense organ. So tongue also help us to eat. Okay. And the sense is, eating food sense is taste. So taste is spelling Taste. Taste. Okay. Food getting burned. How you comes to know that food is getting burned? By their smell. Okay. And the sense organ is nose. Okay. Your nose tells you that food getting burned. Okay. And the sense is your smell. Clear, children? Sorry, children, my handwriting is not good in this sheet, but I hope that you are able to read it. Yes. Now see, testing the hotness of milk. How you comes to know the the hotness of the milk? By your skin. Okay, by which sense organ? By your skin. And you can, what is the sense? You can feel the hotness of milk. Okay. Dog barking on the road. How you comes to know, children? Dog barking. Tell me. Dog barking. By which sense says? Hearing. You are hearing the barking of the dog. Hearing or hear. Okay. And hearing which sense organ? Tell me which sense organ? Your ears. Okay. Your ears. Clear? Clear to all of you?